Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. I'm gonna show how to rig in full character with Duik Bassel 2. Let's get started. So after finish this video, I will share all these project files in the description below. You can download free. So first step, let's select these right hand layers. This is 1, 11 and 111 layers for right hand. Select this layer 1, go to solo and let's move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select this layer 11, go to solo and move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select this layer 111, go to solo and move the anchor point here, click selection tool and unsolo. Let's make links. Select this layer 1, link to layer 11, select 11, link to 111 and select this 111, link to body. Select this body, go to solo and select this palm behind icon. Let's move to down. Then click selection tool and unsolo. Let's make links and anchor points for left hand. Select this layer 2, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and select this layer 22, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and finally select this 222 layer, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Let's click selection tool and unsolo. Let's make links. Select this layer 2, link to 22, select 22, link to 222 and select this layer 222. Let's link to body and select body. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And let's work with foot layers. Select this layer 4. Let's go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool. Let's select this 44, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and select 444, go to solo and move the anchor point here up. Click selection tool and let's make links. Unsolo first step layers and select layer 4. Let's link to 44, select 44, link to 444 and select this 444 layer, link to body 2, select this body 2, go to solo and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's select this layer 3, go to solo and again move the anchor point here. Click selection tool, select layer 33, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Then click selection tool and select this layer 333, go to solo and finally move the anchor point here. Let's click selection tool and unsolo. Select this layer 3, link to 33, select 33, link to 333 and select 333. Let's link to body 2. Let's select this body layer, link to body 2 and select body 2. Let's see. Okay, this is our main layer. So select these modes: eye brown, nose, eye close, eye black and eye open here, and right mouse, precoms, add name here, click OK. Let's back to main composition and let's go to solo, select palm behind and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. So let's select here, link to body and our anchor point and links is done. Let's go to window, open Duik Bassel 2 and go to click this rigging icon. Let's select this layer 1, 11 and 111. This is right hand layers and click auto rig I key. Okay, let's select this controller and open icon. Let's change size like this and select this controller. Let's see. Okay, we have problem with Duik. Let's fix it. Let's go to click this reverse checkbox. Okay, nice. So selected layer 2, 22 and 222. Go to click auto rig IK and select this again controller. Let's click again reverse and go to icon, change size like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this layer 3 and 33 and 333. Let's go to click auto rig IK. Okay, select controller and go to icon. Let's change size. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's select this 444 and 444 layer. Go to click auto rig IK. Let's select controller and go to icon, change size and close settings. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So select this body tool. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So select this body tool and go to click this icon for go to create controllers. And when we select body tool, let's click this icon. Okay, select this and go to icon. Let's change size. This is body controller. And let's select this body tool. Let's link to this body controller. And select this body controller. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's select this body layer and click this icon for create this controller and go to icon. Let's change size. Okay, and move to here. Then select body. Let's link to this body controller and select body controller. Let's link to body tool and let's see. Select body. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Press R. Let's see. Nice. And select this controller. Okay, good. So for better timeline, let's close Duik Bassel window and select all these layers. Click this icon and click this icon for hide all layers. And now we can work only controllers. Let's select this controller, change name hand right. And select this controller, change hand left. And this controller, change foot right. And this controller, foot left. And this body main. And this body up. Okay, so let's select body up and make animation or this controller or this. So next part I will show how to make simple animation with this rig. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.